Today is another Stitch Fix unboxing. So in my previous Stitch Fix unboxing, I was a little underwhelmed with what my stylist had been sending me. So I actually chose to pick a new stylist. I hate to do that, you guys, but I thought she did really good at the beginning when I started back with Stitch Fix, but I think that she just wasn't listening toward the end. So I did want to just see if a new stylist could kind of get my style a little bit better, because I feel like I am pretty good about being specific with what I want. So today we're going to unbox this Stitch Fix. I think it's fix number 57, and it's either 57 or 58, and it's going to be with the new stylist. So let's see how she did. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service, and they do charge a $20 styling fee. But if you do purchase anything from that box, then you do get that $20 toward your purchase, so you won't lose anything. But if you don't purchase anything and send it all back, then you do have that $20 styling fee. And also, I'm going to link a referral code in the description box for you guys. So if you want to start with Stitch Fix and receive your first box, then you can click on that link, sign up, and you will get $25 toward your first box. And I will as well, so we'll help each other out. Oh, and also you have 3 days to try everything on and send what you don't want back. They started doing a preview so you could see some of the items that your stylist pick and leave notes on whether you want to decline it, accept it. So the first thing you're going to see is the little envelope to send anything you don't want back. And then you'll have this that has the styling cards with notes from your stylist, and then also the price sheet, which I will get that whenever I go to the try on, and we'll go over the pricing and everything. And then here is the bundle. So there's some green, red, blue, so lots of color in here. This is so exciting, a new stylist, so I can't wait to see what she picked out. I think in the preview there was only one item, which was a red top that I picked from the preview, so let's see how well she did. So the first thing is, looks like a dress, and it is from Beacon. It's the Milan maxi dress in navy, size medium. So here you can see it has this little bit of banding right here, and it looks like it's a nice maxi length. I hope it's not too long for me. So we'll see how this looks. And then the next thing is this green top. It is from Pink Clover, Michaela, short sleeve tee in green, size medium. I like the little cutouts right here on the sleeves, really pretty, and I think it's a pretty green. And then this is the top that I accepted from the preview. This was the only thing from the preview. It's from Fortune and Ivy, Haley lattice trim blouse in red, size medium. I love that little detail here on the top, and I love red, of course. This is a Stitch Fix, I think from maybe 4 or 5 boxes ago, so that's really pretty. And then there are some pants or some black denim, maybe, from Studio Blue. The Dawn wide leg utility pants in black, size 8. So nice wide leg. That's what I've been asking for, some wide leg. It's got those front patch pockets, so really cute. And then the last thing looks like some more bottoms, and it is from Cosmic Blue Love, Blair high rise drawstring easy straight pant in navy, size medium. So it does have that elastic and drawstring waist. So I'm excited. Let's try this on. So here's the first outfit. This is the red top that I had saved from the preview, and I really like it, you guys. So it does have that mixed material. It's more blousier looking in the front, and then more of that casual style in the back. So I do have it front tucked because I just wanted to show you these pants and the detail on the pockets. But I like that little lace detail that goes along here, and I love that it's a V-neck. So I'm loving the top so far. I like these pants. They hit right at the ankle, so they're a good length that I love to wear with flats, that I don't have to worry about them being too long. And I just paired it with some black flats. And these I love, guys. They're so comfortable. The waist has a little bit of stretch to it, even though there's no elastic or anything. And it's a button and zip closure. The pockets, I love this. So I like this outfit together, you guys. I'm really liking this. So far, I love both the top and these pants. So this is fix number 57. So the pants are the Studio Blue Dawn wide leg utility pants, $65. The top is the Fortune and Ivy Haley lattice trim blouse, $39. So I really like both of these so far, and then let's move on to the next outfit. So here's outfit number 2. I love this green top. It's got a really pretty neckline, and I am loving this little cutout detail on the sleeves. I think it's really nice and comfortable. It's a great knit. So I could wear this with denims, cutoffs if I wanted to this summer. But then I can also like maybe layer over this in fall. So that's what I'm really liking about that first outfit, that red top. Of course, I can wear it by itself with some white bottoms or the black bottoms that she sent with it. Or, you know, I can carry that on through fall and winter. So I think that those are two pieces that I can wear, you know, all year round. And same thing with this. So I love this top. Like I said, I love this neckline and the sleeves on this, and I love the green color. I paired it with the navy pants that she sent because I love green and navy together. I think it's such a classic rich look. So it does have side pockets. These are just pull-on style with some elastic and drawstring. Now I don't know about the length, you guys. Like, are these too short? I mean, I like them because my ankle's showing, so they're the ankle pants. And then I can wear them with flats. I don't have to worry about wearing heels or anything, so I can be very comfortable. What do you think about this, guys? I'm thinking I love this outfit too. I think it's really comfortable. See, I'm excited. I was a little underwhelmed with my last, I think 3 or 4 boxes from the last stylist. So this is a brand new stylist, and so far I think she got it. So the top is the pink clover, Michaela short sleeve tee, $35. And then the pants are, the pants are Cosmic Blue Love, Blair high-rise drawstring. They're $88, you guys. That's on the expensive side. Oh gosh, but then if you think about it, if you really just want 4 out of 5 items, it's basically worth it to get all 5, because when you get that 25% discount, then that almost pays for that 5th item. So we'll see how the last item goes. But so far I'm liking all 4 items. So here's the last outfit, and it's this dress, which is nice and comfy. I like that cotton feel. So it does have more of like a tank style or sleeveless style top. And then you have that little band right here, which look how much room I have. So you can make it blousier if you want to do that. And I like the length. So it's a good maxi length right up above the ankles. I am wearing it with heels, but I don't have to. I could wear it with flats if I wanted to. But I'm really liking this. No pockets, which I kind of like, because sometimes when you have these kind of dresses, pockets can add a little weight to the hips, and I don't want to do that. So I like this dress too, you guys. So the dress is from Beacon. It's the Milan maxi dress, and it is $59. So the total of everything in this box is $286. With a buy all discount of 25% off, it would put the total to $214.50, and then take away the $20 styling fee. Stitch Fix did it to me again. I quit 3 years ago, and then I started back, and the stylist really knocked it out of the park the first 2 times, and then was a little lackluster, it seemed like, after that. And so then I was just about to decide whether to quit or try a new stylist to see. And I decided to try a new stylist, and now I have a 5 for 5 box. I actually like everything in this box. Let me know what you guys think, but I think I'll be keeping it all. I think it's a 5 for 5 box. I thought that those navy pants were a little expensive by themselves at $88, but the 25% discount is $71 off. So when you do the Stitch Fix math, then actually sending that back, you're almost paying the same amount. I'm thinking I'm going to keep it all this time, you guys. Let me know what you guys thought about this box, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.